up, yo guys? For this third video that I'm gonna do, ang gagawin natin ay experiment. So ano ba ang eksperimento na ating gagawin? Ang una na gagawin natin ay the power of bubbles. At yun ang effect of catalysis with chemical reaction rate. And yung first experiment na gagawin natin ay kinakailangan natin ng we need two bottles that are labeled with without yeast and with yeast. The second materials is warm water. The third is teaspoon. The fourth one is the balloons. The fifth one is sugar, and the last one, of course, we need the yeast. Of course, this experiment is all about the yeast. So let's move on to the process. So of course we need to put the bottles, the two bottles that are labeled with yeast and the other one without yeast. So ang una natin gagawin ay we're going to open the bottle. Of course, so that we can put the sugar and the yeast. The second step, of course, we're gonna put two teaspoons of sugar to each bottle. Okay? Wala, baka mahulog. Wala, hindi pa yun 1 teaspoon. Half. Sablay! Wala, tatlo na. Half yun eh. Nahulog. Yan. Now, ang nalagyan natin ay yung with yeast. Now, lagyan naman natin ng sugar yung without yeast. 2 teaspoon. Yung kanina, ginawa kong tatlo kasi half yung isa, yung dalawa. 2 teaspoon of sugar. Wala, maliit pa rin. Ayan. So ngayon, nalagyan natin siya ng, yung dalawa pala, ng sugar, 2 teaspoon each. So ngayon, yung with yeast, lalagyan natin ng yeast. Siyempre, we need yeast for this with yeast. So we need to put 3 teaspoon ng yeast for the with yeast. Hindi yan? O hindi? Kung hindi, ulitin. Yan, lagyan natin. Mahulog na naman, so dapat ilagay dito. Nahulog? Wait lang. Wala tayong panel eh. Panel yung kailangan eh, para hindi mahulog eh. Wait lang, may tumatawag na aso. Ay, nawawala ako sa video. Wait lang. Oh, move the video please. Move. Zoom it out. Yan. Ganyan tayo eh. May mga videographer tayo eh. Tatlo dapat. Now, nakagawa tayo ng panel. Alam mo yung panel? Yun sa Mobile Legends eh. Yung core dapat pina-panel. Joke. Ayan, so, nalagyan na natin ng sugar and yeast, yung with yeast, and sa without yeast ay sugar lang yung nalagay natin. So, let's move on to the next part. So, lalagyan natin ng warm water yung dalawang bote. So, itansya natin siya hanggang dito na part. Okay? Nakita ba? Yan. So, ngayon, lagyan natin. Di ko alam, where's the cover of this? Oh, now we have a background music. Lagyan natin siya. Nilalagyan natin ng warm water yung with yeast na nakasulat. So, hanggang dito lang yung tubig ha. Dapat parehas yan, of course, so that, I don't know what I'm gonna say. Ayan! Oh! And now we're gonna put the balloons. So this is the use of the balloons. We're gonna put it on the top of the bottles. Yan! Yan, so pwede na. Look! Yan. So now we're gonna wait for half an hour, like 30 minutes, for this to react. Okay, thank you. Now let's move on to the time lapse.
Yeast is a fungus and there are about 160 species of yeast. Yeast is very small. 1 gram holds around 25 million cells and has been used for thousands of years to help bread rise. But how does a fungus help bread rise? It has to do with what yeast eats. how they metabolize that food, and what waste products are released. Yeast feeds on sugars and starches. When the yeast consumes the sugar in our bottle, it breaks it down to be used as energy. When the yeast metabolizes the sugar, the waste produced is carbon dioxide gas and ethanol. The carbon dioxide gas floats out of the liquid into the bottle, producing bubbles and eventually floating up into the balloon. As the yeast consumes sugar and produces carbon dioxide, the pressure inside the bottle and the balloon increases. That is why the balloon expands and grows because of the bubbles made from the yeast consuming the sugar. This is what you call yeast fermentation.
So, what's up guys? So, we're back again for another experiment. This is the experiment number 2. So, ano nga bang gagawin natin dito sa pangalawang eksperimento? So, ang gagawin natin dito ay yung matchstick soaked in water. Wait, sorry po. So, the effect of this is the effect of temperature on chemical reaction rate. So, ang mga materyales na ating gagamitin ay candle, matchstick, of course, and paglalagyan natin ng cold water and tap water. So, this is the normal temperature of water. Yes. Room temperature? Yes. So this is the cold water and tap water. So, ang una natin gagawin ay we're gonna put the cold water dito sa, wait, nakita niyo ba? Sa paglalagyan natin. There you go. So this is the cold water. And lalagyan naman natin dito yung tap water. This is the normal temperature of water. Room temperature of water. There you go. And the second step that we're gonna do is we're gonna soak this two matchsticks with different temperature of water. So, lalagay natin itong isa dito sa cold water and yung isa dito sa tap water. So, we're gonna soak it for about 1 minute. There you go. So, what's up guys? So, after 1 minute, we're back again. So, ititest natin ito kung ano nga bang reaction nito. Kung ano ang pagkakaiba ng temperature ng water, kung anong effect nila sa matchstick. Ang galing! And now, we're gonna test it. Happy birthday to you. Love you! Ay, mali. So ngayon, gagawin natin ay i-test natin yung cold water, yung matchstick na sinawsaw natin sa cold water. Tapos, pagkatapos, yung tap water. So, i-differentiate natin kung ano ang pagkakaiba nila. Differentiate yung kung ano ang pagkakaiba nila. Wow, amazing! So, una, yung cold water.
Mga takot.
Puputok! May putok!
Desire isn't bad.
Lagay.
There you go guys. Namatay. Second, yung tap water. Oh, amazing! Wow! Yun lang. So, ilalagay natin yung galing sa cold water. Lakas. Taas kasi ng hangin.
An increase in temperature typically increases the rate of reaction. An increase in temperature will raise the average kinetic energy of the reactant molecules. Therefore, a greater proportion of molecules will have the minimum energy necessary for an effective collision.
Oy! So, yun lang guys, namamatay. Pasensya na, nasa labas ako. So, that's it. So, thank you guys for watching. That's it for my 2 experiments for this vlog number 3. And thank you, please like the video so that I could get...
JT, let me have this. JT, let you have...
Stop it! So, thank you you guys, this is it for this third video. So nakalimutan ko na sasabihin ko dahil sa inyo. So thank you, please like the video so that I could get a higher grade. Thank you!